In this video, I'll show you how to draw on Adobe Acrobat. First, open Adobe Acrobat on your computer and open the PDF file you want to draw on. You can do this by clicking File, then Open, and selecting the PDF from your device. Once the document is open, go to All Tools and choose Comment. In most versions of Adobe Acrobat, drawing is done through the comment tools because your drawing is added as a markup on top of the PDF. This is useful when you want to make notes, circle details, point out changes, or mark areas without editing the original document text. After the comment toolbar appears, look for the pencil icon. This tool is usually called Draw Freehand. Click the pencil icon to activate it. Now move your cursor over the PDF page. Click and hold your mouse button, then drag to draw directly on the document. You can use this to circle text, underline important information, write quick notes, mark corrections, or sketch simple shapes. If you are using a touchscreen laptop, tablet, or stylus, drawing will feel more natural. You can write or mark the PDF almost like you would with a real pen on paper. After you draw something, you can change how it looks. Click the drawing to select it, then open the properties or style options. Depending on your version of Acrobat, you may see a small toolbar, a right-click menu, or a properties panel. From there, you can change the line color, thickness, and opacity. For example, you can use red for corrections, blue for comments, or black for normal handwriting. If the drawing is too thin, increase the line thickness so it is easier to see. If you need a cleaner shape, use the shape tools instead of freehand drawing. In the comment toolbar, you may find options like line, arrow, rectangle, circle, polygon, or cloud. These are helpful when you want the markup to look more professional and precise. If you make a mistake, click the drawing and press delete on your keyboard. Some versions of Acrobat may also include an eraser tool for freehand marks. If you do not see an eraser, selecting the drawing and deleting it is the easiest option. You can also move your drawing after creating it. Click the drawing once, then drag it to a new position. If it has handles, you may be able to adjust its size or shape. When you are finished drawing, switch back to the selection tool. This prevents you from accidentally adding more marks while you scroll or review the document. Before saving, zoom out and check the full page. Make sure your drawing is clear, placed correctly, and not covering important text or information. Finally, save the PDF. Click File, then Save to update the same file, or choose Save, as if you want to keep the original document unchanged. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.